Guys, I feel like I'm the king of the birds right now. Stop feeding the bird. Oh my god. Stop feeding the birds, dude. They're starting to get aggressive.
Give me that one. Yeah, you know who I'm talking to. No, I'm gonna throw one up. You ready?
Stop.
Come on. I'm gonna throw one up. Oh yeah.
I got a big one right here.
Oh my god.
We're feeding the birds, man.
Hey, you get some too, yo. You. Oh, you took this. Oh,
And you guys over there, y'all need to eat. Oh my god, they're fighting. They're like spreading out their wings.
I hit one.
I got it in midair. They're like, do you guys see this? They're like opening their wings to try and act bigger so they can scare off the other ones and have the french fries for themselves. You see? You guys want this french fry? Do that.
Oh my god.
All right. Oh my gosh. No, come on, take it. Somebody take it. I'm very scared right now. I am terrified. Stop feeding them. Oh my god. Oh, come on, take it. Somebody. Oh, they're gonna take it. Yep. Oh no, it was about to be him. Who's gonna take it?
They're thinking about it.
Yeah, they keep thinking about it.
Torquisha! That guy right there. That's my mate.
Mara, take it. You want it?
Scared to get crap out of here.
Take it.
Straight, super straight. Oh.
Okay, don't feed them all. That's enough now.
I'm trying to get one to take it out of my hand.
Look, he's trying to get one to take them out.
Let me switch. Hold on.
You.
I'm switching hands.
You. Little brown one right here. Yeah, my man. Well, you gotta be faster.
Oh, frick. Come on. Take it. Yes! He took it! Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Yeah, he took it. I got it all on film. Yes! It's like it's been paused this entire time.
Okay, come on. Let's eat these.
Yeah. We're the king of the birds, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're also the Creed Gamers, if you don't know.
We are feeding the birds. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, you guys are going to be hungry then.
I'm actually pretty
This
full.
costs a lot of money, these things.
Yeah.
I'm pretty full right now. So can I throw them out?
Oh, no.
Try to break them up into pieces.
You know how much?
Break them up, break them up in the bowl. And throw them out.
Soda in this almost costs like $15.
Look at how majestic they look.
Wow.
I could never get this close to seagulls, especially with feeding them in midair. I'm gonna try it again. You guys want it? Anybody gonna take it? Any takers?
Hey, come get this free fry.
Put it up more.
No, this probably scoop behind.
Oh, frick.
He's not sure.
Come on, he's coming.
Oh! Trick shot it! Oh, and I didn't get it on film. Take it.
Mom, what are they doing? They're calling
Somebody take it. Hey, you guys want a french fry? If you want a french fry, then get a
Here,
french
here.
fry. Oh, yeah. Just throw some in the air. Come on, I want someone to take it.
There. All right.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
These ones are mine. I'm not done eating.
Oh, I think one of them's gonna come. Oh, frick.
Oh, come on. Right
Come
here,
on.
right here.
Oh, take it.
Oh, I'll move it back.
Yeah, I am too. What if like one of them poops on?